Welcome to Weather 101. I'm Chief Meteorologist Paul Williams, and today we want to talk about the strength of the winds because that's been a bit bothersome for us as of late. Now, as you take a look at the wind impact, that's what we're going to be talking about at this particular juncture. So here we go. First of all, the wind impact is a measurement of the wind speed needed to move an object, laterally or approximately. So the wind is equal to the square root of 195 times the weight over the area in square footage. So with that being the case, let's calculate just how effective wind can be. Now, obviously, it takes little or nothing to move a maple leaf. Weighs only, 0.002 pounds with a square area of 0.04. So it only takes a 3-mile-per-hour wind to move that. However, a 28-mile-per-hour wind could actually move a 96-gallon trash can weighing at 37 pounds with an area of 9.1 just to move that. Now you start getting into an interesting situation when you exceed 67 miles per hour. That's an average weighted person at about 175 pounds with a square area typically of about, let's say, 7.7 square feet. It only takes a 67 mile per hour wind to move it laterally or to push it, so to speak. And what would it take to move a vehicle? Well, assuming a vehicle that's, 2,800 pounds, with the square area of 69 square feet, would take a 90 mile per hour wind in order to make that kind of an impact on a vehicle to be moved out of the way, which is kind of interesting when you think about it. That's not much in the way of winds moving any kind of object. So with that in mind, remember, when we're talking about the different winds and how strong they are, the impact that they can have on just regular inanimate objects. I'm Chief Meteorologist Paul Williams with your Weather 101 for this week.